Red, red, what do you see? A red apple and a red car for me. Bright red shining all around. Let's clap our hands to the red sound. Colors, colors everywhere. Fruits and toys we love to share. Sing it loud and sing it bright. Learning colors feels just right. Yellow, yellow, shining bright. A yellow banana and a yellow kite. Sunny yellow in the sky. Wave your hands and say hi. Green, green, what a sight. A green pear and a green light. Jump up high, spin around. Green is fun all around. Blue, blue, calm and cool. A blue ball and a blue pool. Splash and play, sing along. Blue is the color in our song. Colors, colors everywhere. Fruits and toys we love to share. Sing it loud and sing it bright. Learning colors feels just right. Now we know our colors well. Red, yellow, green, and blue as well. Fruits and toys so bright and fun. Learning colors with everyone.